I want you to close your eyes. No peeking. All right, no peeking. You too, Adam. No peeking. Okay? And just imagine you are about to compete in your favorite sport in high school. It might be lacrosse, it might be basketball, it might be baseball, it might be football. You're facing a championship game right in front of you, and you don't know if you have the courage inside. So what can I offer you? So to each of the athletes, that's you, have fun and challenge yourselves to be the best you could possibly be. No matter the result of the competition, you are indeed a winner for accepting the opportunity to compete with yourself and against others. Of course, there may be times where you not come in first place, but you will never, ever become a loser. Be humble when you achieve victory, exude honor upon defeat. No one should ever tell you that you do not deserve what you want. If you strive to be the best you could be, your perseverance shall faithfully guide you through the fiercest storms to the brightest sunshine of life. To the parents and coaches, we must continue to build that method of tolerance, a spirit of compassion, and the knowledge that comes from educating ourselves. Getting young students to become proud of their achievements means giving them more than emotional support and encouragement. They need to be surrounded by the company of family and friends that set high expectations for them. Your job is to accept the lesson, love the person, and put what you have learned to use in all other relationships within your community. Because the message of accepting others for their capabilities rather than their disabilities is the greatest school of humanity. You can open your eyes. I am proud to join the New Jersey State Police these 11 summers and Trooper Youth Week on this important mission, but we cannot succeed without your assistance. We must all continue to open our minds, open our worlds, open our hearts for others to emulate. For the sake of everyone in this room, for everyone in the state, and for everyone in this great country. Thank you, and may God bless America. I can't be at the graduation, but I hope I'm so proud of you guys, because you are the country's future right here. Make sure your name becomes a symbol for success. All right? Thank you very much.
Good job. And we get this and we walk down the stairs.